What is the ORM in Laravel and how does it supply database interaction? It supports relationships one by one, many figure loading, query building, and consistent operation like simple and readable syntax. Um, Number two, Laravel in-handle nito yung HTTP is using the routing system define the direct sa PHP website. Uh, Number three, explain the role of blade templating engine in Rala- Laravel. Um, Blade is powerful tools templating engine that allows developers to write clean dynamic HTML page with embedded PHP logic. Number four, what are the security features provided by Laravel? Hmm, Laravel is protect tayo yung SS automatic sa blade templates to prevent cross-site scripting and SQL injection protection. Number five, how do how does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel provides a task scheduling system via a console kernel.php file uh, using the scheduler. Wala po sir.